Listen, girl, imagine disappearing for 90 days and coming back as your entire reinvented self, who is in her most confident self, who knows what she wants, who is all of a sudden just glowing from the inside out. Continue watching this video if that is you and you want to know what it's going to be like to transform your entire life. All right, sis, so one of the first things I love to do is create a vision board of the woman that I see myself being. On this vision board, you could have exercise routines that you want to do. You could have the body of someone that you really aspire to want to be, finances, anything, skincare routines, makeup. You could have foods that you want to incorporate into your diet. Literally anything. You could have affirmations, words. You could put that you're going to journal. Just a vision board that is this vision of where you want to see yourself within the next 90 days. Glowing up at the end of the day is going to be more than just about the outer appearance. It is inner appearance as well. However, I'm going to be talking about a lot of outer because there is a discipline in taking care of your outer appearance that helps the inner version of yourself start to really fall into that motivation state, fall into becoming more passionate, falling into becoming more confident in who you are. When you work on yourself, things start to fall in place. That's the point here. So a 90-day transformation could literally look like you were once doing nothing to level up to now in 90 days, you have a skincare routine. You know the things that you're gonna be eating. You have an exercise routine. You become more clear on who you are as a woman. A lot of us just aren't clear on who we are. And so we lack discipline, we lack motivation, and we don't do anything at all. So skincare, fitness, and health are all gonna be something that you're going to need to incorporate in order to see this transformation just like skyrocket. So as far as the skincare routine, let's start there. I love a good skincare routine, girl. I love doing my face mask to make sure my skin is hydrated. I would recommend that you find a routine for your skin type. Start there. If you don't know what your skin type is, if you're unsure, you could always go into a store like Ulta or Sephora where they could actually recommend you great skincare products. You could take it a step further if you want to see a dermatologist or someone who is in the field and can really read your skin to know what you need to take on. But the point I'm trying to make is that you need to make sure that you are taking care of your skin because it's going to help you build that confidence. It's going to help you want to step outside and be the greatest version of yourself. I know for me, when I have eczema flaring up on my face, I was running to go figure out what it was. And you know, there will not be dry patches on my skin. When there are so many products and so many ways to reverse it, I just had to stop being lazy about it and I had to actually go do the work to figure out what products my skin loved. If you are at ground zero and you have no idea what I'm even talking about, I would highly suggest you start with a cleanser, a sunscreen, and a moisturizer. Those are three things I absolutely can't live without. Sunscreen, you have to wear that every single day, even when you're in your house. I'm a stickler to that. I have some of my favorite skincare products that I love. I'm actually gonna share a freebie list down below that you guys can sign up for and get that list straight to you so you can have some tips on skincare and makeup and things like that. So fitness. When it comes to fitness, a lot of us overthink it. We do way too much. Some of y'all are like, I'm gonna work out 6 days a week. Knowing you ain't even worked out 6 minutes. Okay, it's been a whole 3 months and you ain't done 6 minutes of workout. Why do you think 6 days a week is actually going to help you? You're only gonna burn out in the first week because you're not even used to that. You don't know that type of discipline, that determination, that motivation yet. You have to build up to that. So baby, start with a light walk. Okay, a light jog if you're feeling fancy with it, okay? I love taking walks. Walks are so easy. Enjoy fresh air or sunlight. It helps me with my mood levels, my energy. It just helps set the tone for the day. So go for a walk. Now, if you want to do extra, you could do Pilates. You could actually go to the gym. There are so many ways to do fitness, but just do fitness in the way that you know you could do fitness. Stop lying to yourself. Be very honest with where you are right now. It doesn't mean it can't improve. It can get better over time. But you're that girly that's like, I'm gonna work out 6 days a week, and then you fall off the wheel and then you never get back on. And now a whole nother year has passed and you only worked out that 1 week, 6 days. When I would rather see you, and you should wanna see you, go walking every single day. Even if you're busy, even if you're working, a quick walk can be something that you do. It's a simple thing to get in and it's very healthy, it's very effective for your body. We don't even get enough steps in the day, period. So that is something we can start with. Nutrition. Nutrition is going to be one of the most important things, but just like with the working out, you want to start small. Again, if you were eating cookies, cakes, and pies, and candy, and all of these things, and you decide that one day you're just gonna cut it all off, that's amazing. I love that for you. You're gonna go into a state, almost a depressive state, because you're cutting off the thing that your brain was loving, that your brain was telling your body that it loved and that it needed, even though you don't necessarily need those types of things in your body. That's just where you were at the time. So you have to start small, cut back. You know what I'm saying? You can still have bits of sugar, but can you have fruit? Okay, instead of the candy that you're over there getting and eating every single day, instead of the cakes that you're indulging in, what I'm saying is you have to take small steps to then expect a greater change in life. Some of this stuff is gradual. It's not overnight. And I'm tired of people acting like it is overnight. It's not. We're talking about a 90-day transformation. I didn't say 9 minutes, you know? You're not going to get it right the first time. You're going to mess up. But the discipline in it is that you get back to it and you keep trying. So juicing is another one. I talk about green juice all the time. If you follow my TikTok, you are not new to me and green juice. We go together real bad. Choose some greens in your life. A lot of you, your lack of nutrition is causing you to feel moody, low energy, and just unhappy. You're not getting enough nutrients in your body. So now your body is craving these other things, the sugars, the high fats, and all these different things. So you need to train your body again, train your mind again, that we don't need this to live. We can eat the greens and feel just fine. So make sure you are getting your diet in order, getting your diet together. Again, I have that freebie down below that's going to give you some more in-depth details and advice on what exactly it is you need to do. It's like a little mini guide for you guys to get on track, because a lot of us are off track. I get it. You ain't been on track in a long time, but you so badly want to be on track. You know what it takes. That's the thing. You know what it takes. You know that you have to eat well. You know that taking care of your skin is powerful, but you're not doing it. So I'm here to hold you accountable, and I'm providing that link to you because it's going to tell you little things that you can do. And they're very practical. You're going to literally look up and be like, wow, that was it. That was all I had to do. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that it's the easiest thing in the world, because again, it takes discipline, motivation, but these small things will help to get you there. Lifestyle changes. Oh my goodness. Clean up your house, girl. You have to declutter your home. You have to declutter the things around you, and the people around you, the energies you surround yourself with, the environments that you're putting yourself in, and only you know what that is. It's time to declutter all the toxicity out of your life. It's clouding what you know you're supposed to be doing. So declutter your home. I know that when the house is clean, I feel clean. In my mind, mentally, physically, and spiritually, I feel clean. On top of that, setting those boundaries. No, you're not available to take the call with so-and-so at 2 in the morning. No. Why? Because you have to get up at 5 a.m. and go to your workout, or go take your walk at 6, 7 in the morning. You don't have time to do that right now because you're on a level up, glow up journey. We want different energies around us. No more of the same tired stuff that continues to bring us down. We're not doing that anymore. That's not what this is about. I'm teaching you guys what it actually takes, and it really doesn't take much, but it takes you saying yes to you. It takes you actually learning who you are and putting yourself first, because no one else is going to do it. And until you learn that nobody's going to do the work for you, you're going to always stay in the place that you currently are in right now. Make sure you're tracking your progress. You're going to see what that looks like. You're going to see that, oh my gosh, back in January, I was this girl. I can't even believe I was that girl. You're going to be so unrecognizable. Like, you're going to be so proud, incredibly proud of yourself, but you being able to literally look back and see that girl that you once was is even more motivation. When you start your workout routine, when you start to journal, when you start to do mindset work, all of this stuff gets tracked, and you start to physically see and mentally see yourself change. It's the most incredibly powerful thing ever. Like, it's the best thing you could do for yourself. Because if you're good for you, then you're good for everyone else. It doesn't work the other way around. You can't be bad to you and then think that you're gonna be good to everybody else. That's not how that works. Those are some of the tips that I have for you right now. There is several more lessons, baby. We just getting started on this glow up journey, okay? So I'm trying to help you transform your life. I want to see you be the highest, best version of yourself. The version of yourself that you've seen yourself be at once before. Some of y'all just fell off the wagon. Some of y'all never got on the wagon. Regardless, it's one common goal: to level up and elevate and be our best selves. I want to see you at that goal weight that you see yourself at. I want to see you doing that skincare routine and actually physically seeing your skin be clear. I want to see the beautiful mind and heart that you actually have. Not the toxicity and the angry version of yourself and the miserable version, the fatigue that you go through, the lack of energy, no time to play with your kids, no time to talk to your husband. You go to work, you come home, and you do it all over again, and you did nothing for yourself all day. I'm here because I want to see women completely transform. Y'all deserve that. It's not fair that you feel like you have to wait your turn. Guess what? It's your turn now. Today, right now. I hope to see you guys again, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next vibe video. Bye.